In this vlog, we will see how to make a network call using HTTP library in Flutter, for which we are adding a dependency HTTP with the version 0.12.1, and this is the latest version according. And when you are trying to implement this, make sure you are having the latest version added to your PubSpec. And here in main file, so let us see what are the things we need to make a network call and append the data onto your screen. So here the general thing for every Flutter program is a void main, inside which we have declared a class myApp extending a stateful widget here, and from which we have created a state for myApp state, and it extends the state of myApp class. And here we have declared an object future photos, using which we will fetch the data and try to append them. So before going further, let us see the model class. Here we are fetching the data, in which we are having album ID, title and URL. So the ID is an integer, and the string we are having a title, and URL also we are getting a photo, a image URL, which we will load in our image view. So we are fetching these according to their key values, and we are using this photos class in the network to pass the data which we are getting from this URL here. So when you pass this URL, you can get to see the values. We have specified one here so that the first album is loaded. If response is equal to success, if the response is success, here you can see photos from JSON. So inside here from JSON, we will be parsing the API according to the key values, and we will be returning it. So this fetch photo we are calling from the main dot here you can see, and we are appending it to our future photos object, by using which we will check whether the snapshot has the data, and if the condition returns true, then we will be entering in this particular block where we try to set the data here. We have considered a column inside which we have placed an image view and a text view. So the image view will load that particular URL here, snapshot.data.url, and will load the image in the URL. And also we have specified a width and a height, and the description we are loading with the help of a text widget here. Here you can see the output. We have loaded the image, and then the description also we have loaded with the help of a HTTP call. So this is a simple example to depict the usage of HTTP call in Flutter, and if you are having any queries in this tutorial, do let us know in the comment section below, and the code for this tutorial is available in the description section below. And do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content coming up on Flutter.